Hello everyone, you're on K-Notes. So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening sa lahat na nanonood ngayon. So for today ay kasama ko si Kuya Donel Martinez, and he is with us to deliver his understanding sa naging message ng aming pastor kanina, which is si Pastor Menre. For our first question, Kuya, kanina nabanggit ni Pastor ang true worship. So sa iyong palagay, bilang isang mananampalataya, paano kaya natin maisasabuhay ang true worship?
If we really want to worship God genuinely, we must give our focus and seriousness to God. True worship or genuine worship is not just about going to church every Sunday, having ministries, or being active. Worship is not just about that. True worship is having your actions align in accordance to what God wants us to do. So at the end of the day, it's more about our heart.
Thank you. So tama yung sinabi ni Kuya na sometimes hindi ibig sabihin na nagsisimba ka lang, may mga ministries ka, ay ginagawa mo ito ng nararapat at ng tama, no? So dapat, i-keep in mind natin, ba't nga ba tayo nagsisimba, nagpupuri sa Panginoon, ba't nga ba tayo nasa simbahan? Because we have a purpose, katulad ng message kanina, which is about kay Gideon. Thank you, Kuya. For our second question, ano po ang masasabi ninyo sa mga taong nasa gitna ng kahirapan, pagdududa, at kawalan ng pag-asa?
Regarding dyan, actually, lahat naman tayo dumadanas sa pagsubok, sa problema, lahat naman tayo hindi excuse dyan, and lahat tayo dumadaan dyan. Pero siguro ang masasabi ko or ang maibabahagi ko, kapag ang Panginoon ay nasa atin, okay, if God is with us, isa lang yung sigurado natin, God is always with us.
Yes.
God will never leave us no matter what happened. No? Ang Panginoon ay laging nandiyan para sa atin. Oo, maaaring maging mahirap, pakiramdam natin nag-iisa tayo, but what I can advise is that instead of us focusing to the problem, it would be much better if we will focus on what God can do for us. Because at the end of the day, our success, our victory is in the hands of the Lord.
Yes, thank you po, Kuya. That's everything. Once again, this is K-Notes. Maraming salamat po sa mga nanonood. Ito na po ang aming pang-5 episode. So I hope and I pray na you can keep on watching our videos, our sequel po. So thank you, guys!